Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Among Us on a low-end PC. Among Us is surprisingly forgiving when it comes to system requirements, making it accessible for many. You'll generally need at least 1 GB of RAM and an Intel HD Graphics 4000 or equivalent. Make sure your operating system is Windows 7 or a newer version for the best compatibility. These basic specifications ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Once you are in the game, adjusting a few settings can make a huge difference. Start by lowering the resolution to a more manageable level for your display. Turning off VSync can help reduce input lag and boost your frame rates. Also, disable any visual effects such as shadows to free up graphical resources. Playing in full screen mode often allocates more system resources to the game itself. Beyond in-game settings, optimizing your operating system is crucial. Always close all unnecessary background applications before launching Among Us to free up RAM and CPU cycles. Ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest stable version for optimal performance. Setting your power plan to high performance can also provide a noticeable boost. Remember to regularly clean temporary files to maintain system efficiency. Here are a few more tips to keep your game running smoothly. A lightweight antivirus program will consume fewer resources than heavier alternatives. Always ensure your hard drive has at least 1 GB of free space for system operations. Restarting your computer before a gaming session can clear out residual memory. Finally, avoid running other demanding applications or games simultaneously to dedicate resources to Among Us.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.